Hinder. Puppy. What's he doing, Bean?
Come here, puppy. Come here.
How did you help Bean do it the first time?
I always wait till they're here and do it themselves.
I have to go answer my phone.
Come here, puppy. Come. Hey, hey. Come here, right? Look.
Now he's like stuck. He has to either go up or down.
Come here, Bean. Oh, good boy, Bean. Good boy. You see how he did that? Right here. Come down here. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. Did you see that?
Oh my god.
Did you guys do blood? Did you see, Bean? You helped. You helped, Bean.
That was
You
funny.
helped it, Bean.